What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Spooky and I'm back with another video, man. In today's video, I got a new little package in the mail today from good people at Grocery Getter Racing. So if you're familiar with the name, if you're familiar with the brand, then you already know what's about to go inside of the car. But before we get this video started, make sure you guys like, you share, you subscribe, hit that bell, go do everything you need to do to stay informed. Go follow the car page at 64_spooky on Instagram, and let's get this video started. All right, everybody, so we back, man. We're officially about to unpackage my new custom strut bar from Grocery Getter Racing, sorry. This is the first time I've seen it in person. I've only seen pictures, so we want to see everything in person together. I will place his Instagram page below so you guys can get at him for some custom things, man. He do a lot of stuff, man, so let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. I am in uniform still. As soon as I got to the house, got that delivery message, and I seen it was here. So I ain't even waste no time to get this video going. And it's, as you can see, I don't think you can see it because the way I got the camera angle, but it's very nice outside today. So why not do a video today when the sun is out? Cause that's a rare occurrence here in Washington. It's always raining and shit. So we're gonna get into this unboxing and, you know, witness greatness together. Like I said, man, I appreciate you all for watching and staying tuned, man. The car build is slowly coming together. Summer right around the corner, so you know there's performance mods right around the way. It's not gonna be all cosmetic on this page, on this channel. I promise you that. I feel like a kid on Christmas, and this. Ooh, uh-oh. Preview before the preview. Just look at how this is well packaged, man. This is I can't even speak English right now, I'm so excited. This is packaged very good, man. So, nice little card here, you know. And it came with a little sticker, and it's orange, so that's, look at this, man. This is small little things like this, man. Orange sticker, man. This is definitely going on the car. Definitely going on the car. Attention to detail, attention to detail. And if y'all can see that, all his information is right here, man. So y'all go get at him. Oh, dropped it. Y'all go get at him for everything you need to do. Strut bars, hood props, door props, man. Go get at him for everything that you plan on doing to the car. If he got it, make sure you hit him up, man. If he does it, hit him up. And let's go ahead and, woo. I don't know if y'all can see it through the bubble wrap, but sheesh. Sheesh. Tell me who got something as hard as this. You let me know down below in the comments who got something hard as this. This is a 101, baby. Let me get this thing out. Boy, would y'all look at that. So once I get this mounted up on the car, we'll get everything prepared. Check back in with y'all. Y'all stay tuned for what's going on. We back. As you can see, the strut bars right here. I got my little man right here with me, helping me out. So only tool you're gonna need is a flathead. What's up, fat man? Hi. In the car? All you're gonna need is a flathead to take these little plastic covers off on this side and that side. And all you need is a 13mm socket or wrench. The toy? What toy, fat man? Toy. That's not a toy. We're gonna get these loosen up. And then, what's up, family? Yeah, that's going on that car. That's going on that car. So you just loosen these up. It's only 3 little screws, and then what I do is just, well, what I'm doing, huh? The what? The what? Yeah. My little man. Yeah. You don't want to play with your scooter? You want to stay right here with Dada? Huh? Bye-bye. You going bye-bye? Where you going? You going bye-bye? Where you going? You ain't going nowhere, fat man. This is probably going to be one of my, longest videos, because it's, this is going to be one video I'm doing where we doing everything together, witnessing everything together, seeing how everything comes together. So pick this up, and then you're going to place it right over the bars, and then boom, it sits perfectly. And then right when you do that, just place the same bolts back down. Huh? The car? Yeah. Huh? 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 Yeah. Yeah, car's off right now, fat man. Motherfucker.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so we back. I dropped the bolt, but I will find it in due time. So anyway, the strut bar is in place. All I'm doing right now is tightening everything back down. And just by the looks of it, this just like made it look like a whole different type of hood. I mean, not hood, but engine bay. This shit is clean. So appreciate Grocery Getter Racing. You are helping my build become, what's up, fat man? This much better and this much different. What's wrong? You okay? Having fun? And that's it. That's all it is to it, guys. Pretty easy install, besides the fucking bolt that I lost. But neither here nor there. The install is complete, and stand back from a distance, you just see that, man. It's just, it looks good. It looks so good. But yeah, pretty straightforward video. Easy as install. All you need is 13mm socket, flathead screwdriver, and my wonderful young king. I don't know where he went. Fat man. Oh, and there goes my mother. But that's it, YouTube. That is all to this video. Appreciate everyone for staying around, checking in, and make sure you subscribe and everything like that. And we out.